In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage in TradingView paper trading. This is a crucial step for anyone looking to finesse their trading strategies and test out different leverage settings without the risk of real capital. To get started, you'll want to open your TradingView chart and find the trading panel at the very bottom. This is a key area where you can manage your trades and access various account settings. Clicking the Trading Panel tab will bring up a window where you have options to connect or switch to paper trading. This tool simulates real trading conditions and allows you to practice your strategies in a risk-free environment, making it an invaluable resource for both beginners and seasoned traders alike. Once you're within the paper trading panel, your next move is to access the account management settings. In this context, you have a couple of ways to do this. You can either click the gear icon, which looks like a typical settings symbol, or, if you prefer, you can click on the account summary. Doing either of these actions will open up a settings modal, where you can make various adjustments to your paper trading account. This feature is especially useful because it provides a comprehensive overview of your account balance and trade details, ensuring you're trading with the conditions you expect. Now, as we proceed, you'll be looking for an option to reset your paper trading account. This is an important feature because it allows you to start afresh, letting you set a new initial balance and, most importantly, modify the leverage ratio according to your preference. Adjusting the leverage helps you simulate different trading conditions and is especially beneficial if you're looking to understand how leverage impacts your trades and overall strategy. It's worth noting that setting the right leverage is critical because it determines the amount of exposure you have in the market relative to your account balance. For those new to this concept, higher leverage means you can control a larger position than your actual account balance would allow, but it also amplifies both potential gains and losses. As such, testing different leverage levels in a paper trading environment can give you valuable insights into how you'd like to trade when you're ready to use real funds. So there you have it. By following these simple steps to adjust leverage in TradingView paper trading, you're opening doors to refine your techniques and improve your trading literacy in a safe and controlled manner. I hope this guide helps you on your journey towards becoming a more effective trader. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.